In this tutorial, we are going to build a fully featured drag and drop system in Angular 5. My goal is to demonstrate several techniques that are available in Angular that can be used to build such features. Implementing drag and drop can be quite complicated because there are so many use cases and challenges to face. Of course, dragging itself is in fact quite easy. It's just about grabbing an element, moving it somewhere else and release it. Let's call it drag start, drag move and drag end. But there is so much more. Think of the many strategies you can use for positioning. Think of helper elements, sorting lists, or making drop zones. I have limited the series to 6 parts. In the first one we will track the drag events. This forms the foundation of our small ecosystem. I will show you 2 different ways how you can achieve this. In the second part I will demonstrate a simple positioning strategy. Part 3 is about trapping movable elements inside an area. In part 4, which is my favorite, I will use the Angular CDK, the component dev kit, to create an overlay for a draggable helper element. Part 5 will show you a sortable implementation, and in part 6 I will show you a simple droppable solution to make the actual drag and drop work. For this implementation I will use the Angular features as much as possible, so that I can demonstrate how these features work, and because I want to avoid hacky solutions. I want things to be reusable as possible, so I will stick to the Angular directives and keep things separated and not too opinionated. Sometimes I will compare different approaches. For my work environment, I'll use WebStorm as IDE, Angular CLI to generate the projects and to generate directives, and Angular 5.2 with RxJS 5.5 as framework. So let's get started.